Hi friends, welcome to the Business Studies class. Today in this module we are going to learn about the different types of partners. A partnership firm can have different types of partners with different roles and liabilities. An understanding of these types is important for a clear understanding of their rights and responsibilities. The different types of partners are active partner, sleeping partner, secret partner, nominal partner, partner by estoppel, partner by holding out. First type of partner is active partner or working partner. A working partner is one who contributes capital to the business and takes active part in its management. Hence, he is called active partner. An active partner is one who contributes capital, participates in the management of the firm, shares its profits and losses, and is liable to an unlimited extent to the creditors of the firm. These partners take actual part in carrying out the business of the firm on behalf of other partners. Second type is sleeping or dormant partner. Partners who don't take part in the day-to-day activities of the business are called sleeping partners. These sleeping partners are also known as dormant partner. A sleeping partner contributes capital to the firm, shares its profits and losses, and he has unlimited liability. Who share the profits and losses also. Third type is nominal partner. A nominal partner is one who allows the use of his name by a firm but does not contribute to its capital. He does not take active part in managing the firm. He does not share his profits or losses, but he is liable, like other partners, to the third parties for the repayment of the firm's debts. Next type of partner is partner by estoppel. Partner by estoppel is not a partner of the firm, but by his words, he leads the outsiders to believe that he is also a partner of the firm. Usually, this arises when the outgoing partner fails to give notice about his retirement. A person is considered a partner by estoppel if, through his own initiative or behavior, he gives an impression to others that he is a partner of the firm. Such partners are held liable for the debts of the firm because, in the eyes of the third party, they are considered partners, even though they don't contribute capital or take part in its management. Suppose Rani is a friend of Seema, who is a partner in a software firm, Simplex Solutions. On Seema's request, Rani accompanies her to a business meeting with Mohan Softwares and actively participate in the negotiation process for a business deal and gives the impression that she is also a partner in Simplex Solution. If credit is extended to Simplex Solutions on the basis of this negotiation, Rani would also be liable for the repayment of such debt as if she is a partner of the firm. Next important type of partner is limited partner. Limited partner is a partner in foreign countries like UK. The law of the land permits the admission of partners with limited liability. But in India, no one can be a limited partner. There is only one exception. The liability of a minor admitted for the benefits of partnership is limited to the extent of his capital contribution. Next type of partner is secret partner. A secret partner is one whose association with the firm is unknown to the general public. Other than this distinct feature, in all other aspects, he is like the rest of the partners. He contributes to the capital of the firm, takes part in the management. He also shares the profits and losses, and he has unlimited liability towards the creditors. Next type of partner is partner by holding out. A partner by holding out is a person who, though is not a partner in a firm, but knowingly allows himself or herself to be represented as a partner in a firm. Such a person becomes liable to outside creditors for the repayment of any debts which have been extended to the firm on the basis of such a representation. In case he is not really a partner and wants to save himself from such a liability, he should immediately issue a denial clarifying his position that he is not a partner in the firm. If he does not do so, he will be responsible to the third party for any such debts. Another type of partner is subpartner. Subpartner has no direct contact with the firm. He is only next to a partner. Last type of partner is partner in profit. A partner in profit becomes a partner whenever the firm earns profit. His liability is also unlimited. Next, we are going to compare the important features of different types of partner. In the case of active partner, he contributes capital. There is an active participation in the management. He shares the profits and losses, and the liability of the active partner is unlimited. In the case of sleeping partner, he contributes capital. He does not participate in the management. He shares the profits and losses, and the liability of the sleeping partner is unlimited. In the case of secret partner, he contributes capital. He participates in the management but secretly. He shares the profits and losses, and the liability is unlimited. In the case of nominal partner, he does not contribute capital, does not participate in the management. He generally does not share the profits and losses. The liability of the partner is unlimited. Then in the case of partner by holding out, he does not contribute capital. He does not participate in the management. He does not share the profits and losses, and the liability of the partner, that is liability of the holding partner by holding out, is unlimited. Active partner, sleeping partner, secret partner, nominal partner, partner by estoppel, and partner by holding out. These are the important types of partners. Thank you.